If you love salmon, then you're gonna love my salmon burgers. We're talking crispy on the outside, flaky on the inside, and served with a creamy yogurt sauce. I'm Chef Patty, and welcome to the Mad Table. I have 2 pounds of fresh salmon right here that I am going to cut into small little pieces. And a little tip that I can share with you is that if you freeze the fish for about 10 or 15 minutes prior to cutting, it's going to be a lot easier and the salmon's not going to slide around on your cutting board. I'm transferring our diced salmon into a large bowl. I'm going to go wash my hands, and then we're going to start adding all our fresh ingredients and shaping our patties. We've got some green onions. I've got some fresh parsley, fresh cilantro, jalapeno pepper, diced up, and I removed the seeds because I'm not looking for anything too spicy. 2 eggs. Dijon mustard adds a lot of flavor to this. Olive oil adds lots of flavor. So we're gonna swish it around, add a little salt, and then breadcrumbs. I'm using panko breadcrumbs. You can use regular breadcrumbs, or for a gluten-free option, you can always use maybe like a cooked quinoa would be great. So I'm gonna shape my patties. I love all these fresh ingredients that are in the mix. If you're not gonna cook these right away, you can store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for a couple of days and then cook them, or you can always freeze them. If you're gonna freeze your patties, then I highly recommend that you at least divide them with a piece of parchment or wax paper to separate them. The creamy yogurt sauce that goes with this salmon burger is so good. Definitely a must. I am going to chop some fresh dill. I'm zesting a full lemon. It smells so good already. Remember, when you're zesting any type of citrus, you only want to zest the outer layer and not the white, which is the pith, because that is very bitter and you don't want to ruin your creamy sauce. Now I'm going to juice half a lemon, a little salt, a little black pepper, give it a stir. Beautiful. So our yogurt sauce is ready. I'm gonna go ahead and refrigerate it and keep it there until we're ready to plate our burgers. My grill is nice and hot. I'm going to drizzle with olive oil. So I'm cooking using my indoor grill, but if you want to use your outdoor grill, you totally can. I hope you've enjoyed our salmon burger video, and if you did, please hit the subscribe button next to the bell, and if you have any questions or comments, share them below.